Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can open a Morgan Stanley banking account. So guys, open this official website, and go to here, client login, and click Morgan Stanley online. And guys, on my case in this video I will show you how to create. So click this create username and provide the first 9 digits on your Morgan Stanley account number. Click on your number account or digit, and click the last 4 digits of SSN. It's a 4-digit code, and if you don't have SSN, register with a passport number here. And if you don't have SSN number, you can register also with social security number. Click here and click on continue. This is how you can open bank easily, guys. After register, authentication, and you will create your profile on your dashboard. I hope guys this video for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.